Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Visa gift cards, and more specifically, we're going to answer the question, how to use Visa gift cards online. So making purchases on the internet or purchases online, that's what we're going to talk about. So first off, guys, want to let you know this is going to be a really short video, not a lot to talk about on this, so be sure to stick around to the end. So I've been getting this question a lot because I've done a lot of videos about Visa gift cards or Visa debit gift cards, and a lot of people keep asking me, can you use your Visa debit gift cards online? And the short answer is yes. Usually you can use these to make purchases online, unless there's some sort of weird restriction on the Visa gift card that you receive. But most of the gift cards that I've interacted with as far as Visa debit gift cards, you can use online. A lot of times you cannot use them immediately. There are a few steps you need to perform before you can use your Visa gift cards online. So here I have two different gift cards. They are both Visa gift cards. This one is Walmart, this one is Target, and I also have a vanilla Visa gift card right here. So the process is going to be similar for all of these. However, you do need to register them in different places. And the first step, once you get your vanilla Visa gift card or Walmart Visa gift card or Target Visa gift card or whatever your Visa gift card is, you want to go ahead and flip it over. So if you flip it over, the information is really hard to see, but I can assure you it is back there. Usually, actually on every Visa gift card I've ever encountered, they do have a phone number and then also a web address. So you can see this one right here on the Target. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. I'm trying to zoom in. It says mybalancenow.com or call this 1-800 number. So with that information, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to register a zip code on your Visa gift card in order to be able to use it online. Because when you're using these cards online, a lot of times the retailer will ask for some sort of a billing address, your name, and billing zip code. So I'm going to go through a couple of quick transactions and examples on how to add a zip code. So this Target one, I already went to the website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. For the Target version of the Visa debit gift card, you want to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. So I'm going to enter that information off screen now. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in all of my Target Visa debit gift card information. I'm going to click the sign in button now. All right, so I went ahead and logged in, and then as you can see, I have $25 on my Visa debit gift card through Target, and then I do need to register a zip code to be able to use a Visa gift card online. Now, I want to let you know, guys, that a lot of times they don't make it easy or clear on where you're supposed to click, so you'll kind of have to dig around through the website depending on which one you go to. So for example, this Target Visa gift card website, it doesn't say register a zip code, but if you click right here on balance and transactions, which has nothing to do with a zip code or using your Visa gift card online, it still brings up what we're looking for. So let me click there now. All right, once you click there, then as you can see, it says assign zip code. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and then you can go ahead and edit the zip code that's associated with your Target Visa gift card. So once again, guys, in order to use your Visa gift card online, you do need to register a zip code. All the websites are going to be different depending on what card you're dealing with, but I've already registered the vanilla. Walmart actually asks for a lot more information when you're registering aside from your zip code. So you'll need to use your address, your name, and your billing zip code. Also, another question I get asked a lot as far as how to use a Visa gift card online is which name should you use? Because for example, the Target Visa gift card, you cannot register a name. But in my experience, it doesn't really matter. So let's say that you are buying something at Nike.com and they're asking for the name that's associated with your Visa debit gift card. Don't worry about it. Just put in your name or your friend's name or whatever. If you're getting shipping, be sure to use your name. But that's not anything that they normally verify. Usually it's only going to be the card number, expiration date, and security code and billing zip code. The name is just there for reference. If you're going to need to call back in and check on an order that you've done online with your Visa debit gift card, make sure to use your real name though, and that way you don't forget what name you used for that particular order. So just to recap, guys, how to use a Visa gift card online. You do need to register it. Just either flip it over and go to the website that's on the back of each of these cards, and then that way you can register it. So for this one, it's called vanillagift.com. And here's the 1-800 number. You can call the 1-800 number if you want. I don't really like to do that. Usually you can just handle it through the website. So hopefully you found that video useful about how to use a Visa gift card online. If I missed something or you have any other questions, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. And that way you can try to answer that. But thanks a lot for taking the time to watch my video. Hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again.